Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Jung Hae-in and Han Ji-min's fortune harmony analysis. The two main characters of Spring Night, Jung Hae-in and Han Ji-min, were fortune with beautiful stories like Spring Night. I analyzed it at the request of blog subscribers. What kind of story is it? Jung Hae-in is the sun in the sky. Han Ji-min is the sea. When they meet, they make wonderful scenery with the sun floating on the sea. It's a good combination. Jung Hae-in recognizes his spouse as a very lovely and cute being that he needs to take care of. Han Ji-min recognizes him as the person who leads her. Jung Hae-in is not a charismatic fortune, but he has an exemplary standard of living. It's a bit unfortunate, but they still look good together. They have something in common with life's externalities. They want to be seen as exemplary and upright people. It fits well with their image. They get a lot of recognition from their superiors and listen to their seniors' advice. They want to learn and grow if they have a good opportunity. This is a very good look, and they have something in common. It's a good combination. But most of all, Jung Hae-in and Han Ji-min are very good combinations that are good for supplementing the energy that is not in their fortunes. Jung Hae-in has no energy of matter and water, but Han Ji-min has a strong energy of matter and water. Han Ji-min has no wood energy and fire energy, but Jung Hae-in has strong wood energy and fire energy. They seem to be a good combination because their energy is well supplemented. My blog subscriber said they looked good together, but that was a very sharp observation. They really look good together. To take a closer look at the analysis, Jung Hae-in's fortune is so comfortable and psychologically stable. He has a lot in his fortune. He has a very close family relationship, and he always lives in a bright way of thinking. And he has a very good fortune structure, a comfortable composition like this, but the arrangement of letters is good. So his direction of life is clear and his acting is more recognizable. It's a good structure for all characters to play their part in the fortune. Han Ji-min's fortune is very tough, unlike her pretty face. It's a technical term, so it's very difficult to express in English, but in her fortune, there are letters that mean she goes through a lot of hard work and has a sexy and beautiful face. So she sometimes gets into accidents and plays a sad role, but her fortune tells us that she expresses it with acting. As I looked at their fortune harmony, it seems that they will be able to meet each other with good energy, good with each other's characters, and complement each other's personality. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.